I'm tired of holding on to you. It's time to let my pride go and learn to love myself again. Yeah, I don't wanna wait another day. I've waited long enough. I'm ready, I can see the sun, it's coming. Oh, there's happiness on the horizon. I'm hopeful I can see the light.